What if you could create tip sheets in minutes, not hours? Sounds too good to be true? Not with Jeeves. Today, we'll show you how easy it is to turn your video resources into tip sheets in just minutes using the Jeeves AI Tip Sheet Creator. Let's dive in. Start by clicking on Add Asset. Once that's done, hit Create Tip Sheet and select From Existing Assets to kick things off. Next, choose the video you want to convert into a tip sheet from the list. Jeeves will process the video and generate a ready-to-review tip sheet in no time. From there, you can review the steps and make adjustments as needed. Need visuals? You can easily add images by capturing screenshots directly in Jeeves or uploading them from your device. Jeeves also lets you add alerts, useful tips, or even paste a link under each section. This helps highlight key points and grab your learner's attention. Once you're happy with your tip sheet, hit Preview to preview it and perform a final check. Finally, hit Next to review the auto-generated metadata. Make edits if necessary, and add essential details to ensure your tip sheet is perfectly accessible to the right users. Satisfied with what you created? You can either click Publish to make it available to everyone, or hit Send for review to share it with your team for approval. With Jeeves, what once took hours now takes just minutes. To know more about Jeeves, check out www.314e.com/Jeeves.